In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Acuity scheduling account. This task, while straightforward, does involve a few key steps that we're going to break down for you, ensuring that you can follow along easily and get this done in no time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your starting point. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but what you're interested in is the login section. Look for the login button and click on it. This step is the gateway to accessing your private account details, so it's crucial. After clicking on login, the next step is to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used when you signed up for Acuity scheduling. Type it carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from accessing your account. Once you've entered your email, you'll see a Next button. Click on this to proceed. The process is designed to be smooth and straightforward, ensuring that you're guided every step of the way. At this juncture, you'll be given the option to continue with Google. This is especially handy if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account. It simplifies the login process, utilizing your Google credentials for a seamless entry into your Acuity dashboard. Then, you'll need to select your Google account. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts in your browser, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one associated with your Acuity account. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your profile. You'll find this at the bottom of the page. The interface is user-friendly, but keep an eye out for your profile section, as it might not be immediately obvious amidst other elements on the page. There's usually a profile icon or your name situated somewhere toward the bottom of the sidebar or at the bottom of the page. Next, visit the account settings. This can often be found in the general account or profile areas. Depending on the layout, you might see a gear icon or a direct link saying something along the lines of account settings. Click on this to proceed to the next step in the deletion process. In the account settings area, look for account and security or a similar option. This section is crucial because it contains settings that affect the security and accessibility of your account, including the option to delete your account. Within the account and security settings, you'll find the delete account option. This is a big step. Deleting your account is permanent, so make sure you've saved any important information you might need from your Acuity account before proceeding. Clicking on delete account will prompt you to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure designed to protect your account. You may need to log in again or confirm your identity via email. If you chose to continue with Google earlier, you'll see this option again. Choose it to quickly verify your account through Google. After verifying your account, you'll need to confirm the deletion. This is your last chance to change your mind. Once you confirm, all the data associated with your Acuity scheduling account will be permanently removed. Remember, the process of deleting your account cannot be undone, so it's important to be absolutely sure before you proceed. If you're deleting your account with the intention of starting fresh, or if you're concerned about data privacy, consider what data you may want to back up or note before completely shutting down your account. It's worth noting that while these steps are designed to make the deletion process as smooth as possible, navigating account settings and following through with account deletion can sometimes feel overwhelming. Take your time and don't hesitate to pause or rewind this tutorial if you need to review any steps. By following these instructions, you've successfully navigated through the website, logged in, accessed your account settings, and taken the final step to delete your Acuity scheduling account. It's a process that requires a bit of navigation and a few important decisions, but with this guide, we hope you found it straightforward and manageable. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other tech tutorials, feel free to browse through the channel for more helpful videos. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or making space for new tools and services, it's important to approach each step with clarity and confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a more organized and streamlined digital experience.